Welcome to the Grand Pacific Palisades in Carlsbad, California.
When you pull in the driveway, you'll go way up to that building, and that is where the lobby and check-in area is. Over to the left is the restaurant that is on site, and there is underground parking. We stayed in room 180, so I will show you our room tour. From the main door, you walk into this very large full-size kitchen. There is a refrigerator. We went to the store and got some bottled water and some other necessities. There's a toaster, a water kettle, salt and pepper, full-size stove and oven, and a microwave, a whole kitchen knife set, steak knives, and some cutting shears. We have a coffee pot. We actually bought those filters at the grocery store. Full-size dishwasher. They comes with one dishwasher tablet, so otherwise we just wash dishes from hand. We did buy the laundry or the dish soap and the sponge. So underneath the sink they do have a dish rack with some extra paper towels, garbage can underneath there, and then they give you this little welcome basket with some coffee and hot chocolate and paper towels. Otherwise, all of the units do have silverware and some other necessities that you might need if you're staying here. Baking pans and some other baking necessities and some trivets and some placemats. I don't know if there was anything over here. Oh, some more tongs. Oh, so you could use these for the outside tong or outside grills, pots and pans. So definitely a lot of useful items here. There's a very nice dining room table and sit down area, couch and TV. And you can go outside, and there is some patio furniture out there. So very large unit. From the front door, there is a pantry closet here. So if you are staying a while and you need to put stuff there for storage. This is the first bedroom. When you walk into our room, 2 beds. It looks outside to kind of the family area, the family pool area. There's a nice sized closet, a nice TV, and then there is the bathroom here that it conjoins to. So nice sized bathroom, and then a nice shower with a bathtub. And they do have some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that's on the wall. And a nice shower head there. Rain shower. And then there is this door here that will close from the kitchen area. This is the master bedroom. So nice king size bed, 2 end tables, telephone in here. There is the double sink with a very large mirror, and then a mirror in the back so you can see yourself. That is also the closet. So big size bathroom with another rain shower, standard toilet, and then like I said, this is the closet back here. So we stole a bunch of hangers from the other closet, but there's a safe in there too as well, and then a luggage rack. So large TV, and then a sitting bench over there. There's a closet here that is right off of the master bedroom. So definitely nice size unit. Inside the lobby where you check in, they have a lobby bar that opens at 3 p.m. Lots of seating. This is the pool outside the front lobby. It is a lap pool and quiet pool. Looks like there's plenty of seating out here. There is a hot tub here. Lots of outdoor seating. This is the outdoor family pool and water park. Lots of seating. Pretty decent sized pool. And it's right in the middle of the resort. The pool and hot tub are heated. Water park area. There's a button there to activate.
One of the outdoor amenities includes the use of the gas grills. Another amenity on site is use of the fitness center, which includes treadmills, ellipticals, some stationary bikes. It also has a Life Fitness cable machine, some dumbbells, and use of a Peloton.
This is the activity center with a pool table, TV, books to read, and some tables and a chalkboard. Oh, and they have a jukebox for music. So outside the swimming pool area, there is a foosball table and an outdoor ping pong table. They also have a kids arcade room with some games. There is a laundry room here, washers and dryers. It looks like the price is $2.25 for a wash and $2 for dry.
One thing to note is they have light housekeeping services on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and trash and towels are taken care of on Wednesdays. The resort is approximately 32 miles from the San Diego airport. It is right across the street from LEGOLAND, and it is next to the Carlsbad flower fields. We really enjoyed our stay there. It was very convenient for us, and we highly recommend it.